Take a ride in
the 2026 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.